This is one of the basic surgical technique that every ophthalmologist should know. That is how to deal with cataract without having very fancy equipment or high-end devices available with you. If we don't know how to do small incision cataract surgery, whenever we move on to techniques such as phacoemulsification, then we wouldn't know how to get ourselves out of a tricky situation. Small incision cataract surgery gives unique advantages such as rapid healing time, lack of having sutures and therefore no need to remove sutures, excellent control on the astigmatism, and in fact, the results are almost as good as phacoemulsification. In this course, we have hands-on experience for all the participants, and the model is a humanoid kind of a model. So you have a tissue model where the look and feel and all the steps that you do resemble what you would do when you move on to the operating room. So you get an excellent and well-rounded experience in training yourself on the technique of small incision cataract surgery. It is a 2-day course. On the first day, we will have the participants come in. We will have some didactic lectures, some interaction, and explain what is to be done during the cataract surgery. And the second part, of course, is the most exciting part, where each of you will be learning on the tissue model all the steps of small incision cataract surgery. The training will be supervised one-on-one with the help of renowned faculty in this field who are experts both at the technique as well as at teaching. And that kind of mentorship is what will bring out the best in you to learn this technique in a short duration of time. The second day of the course is also quite exciting, I would say, because that involves visiting the Shantilal Sanghi Eye Institute operating room, where you will get to observe the action live, where you get to see small incision cataract surgery being done by the same mentors who handheld you during the daily course. Even if you feel that you have experience in this technique, this would be an opportunity to pick up the finer nuances, to polish and refine your surgical skills in this field. Looking forward to having as many of you for this very first training session at IMMAST.
You will agree that practice is important for perfection. So what we are offering here in IMMAST is a program to teach you how to do a good cataract surgery. The first step is the small incision cataract surgery so that it will perfect in your practice as you go along. This will also build a base for your future development into a phacoemulsification cataract surgery. Welcome.